Hi friends, this is Joseph Thambi. I'd like to request you all to subscribe my channel and share it. What I would like to explain to you in this video is angry at. I am angry at my brother. I am angry at my sister. I am angry at my friend. These all sentences are wrong. Why are these sentences wrong? Angry at always we use for non-living things. For example, I am angry at my bicycle. I am angry at my pen because it doesn't write properly. So angry at is used for non-living things but not for living things. Then what do we use for living things? Angry with will be used for living things. For example, I am angry with my brother. I am angry with my friend. I am angry with my sister. This is the way we use angry with in the sentences. What I would like to explain to you before I end up this video is angry at is used for non-living things. Angry with is used for living things. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, share it and subscribe it. Thank you.